Alright, so one thing that I'm looking at today is the fact that we've been one-time framing up for the last few sessions, and today is the first time that we are below the previous session's low. So we have to see what happens at the open if we stay below the low from yesterday. But so far we are inventory is about 99% short from yesterday's close. We have a double distribution, so even if we get inside of the range from yesterday, we still have this single prints here, and I want to see price get above it and hold above it, because otherwise we're likely gonna see some more sellers to retest these lows from the overnight session. If we hold above this, then we're gonna look for yesterday's value area low. If we hold above that, then I'm looking for a value area sweep and a move back to the settlement from yesterday, and then value area high, and then eventually keep this all-time high new price exploration mode. But if we cannot get past this, then looking for lower prices. The first thing is the overnight low, and then that 20-day point of control, which is at 69.55, and then I gave the lower scenarios yesterday, so that's pretty much the same. We have the 21 EMA here at 40 at 69.40, and the 69.30 is the 90-day point of control, etc. Today we have the Supreme Court decision on the tariffs, so that's something to keep an eye on. Crude, yesterday I mentioned that if we keep this move going, watch that 200 DMA, and we're pulling back just below it. We're pretty close to it. We have some volume building at 61.18 or so. So watch this as a short-term magnet, and right now we have some support at 60. So see if we can try to establish a new range here between 60 and 62.5. Gold and silver are ripping again. Gold still didn't get to that target that I mentioned the other day, 46.60, but now we have another bullish imbalance with target at 705, 47.05, and then silver did hit that 88 and change that I mentioned, and now it just keeps going. It's heading to 100. It seems there's no stopping it. Yeah, all the action is now in commodities, in gold, silver, crude is moving. The indices are kind of like stuck in this range, back and forth. So, just be aware that that's the case. At 10 a.m. we have that, besides the court opinion on tariffs, we have existing home sales, U.S. business inventories, etc. At 10:30 we have crude inventories, and then we have some earnings starting up. At 11 we have Cities Group earning call. Tomorrow we have BlackRock earnings, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, etc. So earnings are starting up, earnings season. And this Friday we have OPEC, so that means that probably today we're gonna see some action at the beginning of the day because of VIX expiration. So might be a little bit of some chop in the morning, and then things might get a little more stable later on after 10. Alright, that's about it. Good luck.